Hey everybody! This video is going to talk about graphing a line given its equation in intercept form with a fractional slope. So, similar to our previous video on where we were working with an integer slope, if we're given slope intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, we're given our intercept, we're given our slope. Now, this isn't actually our intercept because our intercept is a point, right? This is the y value of the y-intercept. So, our slope is m, or the number in front of the x, so that's going to be negative 2/3. And our y-intercept is going to have a value of b. It's going to occur at 0b, which is going to be, in this case, hold on. In this case, it's going to be at 0 and 5. So we have a y-intercept at 0 and 5. Then we have a slope of negative 2/3. Okay, that negative means we could do it a few ways. That could mean negative 2/3, or it could mean 2/-3. Let's do both ways. So negative 2/3 is I'm going to rise negative 2, so I'm going to fall 2. And I'm going to run a positive 3, which means I'm going to go right because that is an increasing amount, right? On this x number line, that's an increasing amount. So if it's 2/-3, then I'm going to rise a positive 2 and go to the left a negative 3. You can see those three lines are along the same line. So it's actually going to be a solid line like so. So that is graphing a line, give its equation in slope-intercept form.